Baking soda 8 benefits of sodium bicarbonate. Interesting about science and medicine prepared by editors of a channel All Scientifical. Much has been written and said about amazing properties of baking soda, also known as bicarb, sodium hydrogenocarbonate, bicarbonate of soda, nitron, sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is mainly used as a disinfectant and also as a leavening agent for dough. The reason for using sodium bicarbonate as a leavening agent is that it produces carbon dioxide bubbles and causes bread, buns and cakes to grow. Baking soda also has medicinal properties. Sodium bicarbonate is one of the fastest antacids. It helps to relieve itching in case of insect bites. Also, using baking soda you can eliminate plaque and get rid of acid that destroy tooth enamel. The course of bladder infection improves. Doctors use sodium bicarbonate to reduce the acidity of blood during dialysis for kidney disease. Which substances are acidic, alkaline or neutral? All chemical substances are also characterized according to their pH, the value of which indicate whether a given substance is acidic, neutral or alkaline. Water has a pH of 7 and is a pH neutral chemical. All chemicals with a pH about 7 are alkaline, but those with a pH less than 7 are acidic. pH of baking soda solution, saturated solution are 8-9. For this reason, this chemical easily neutralizes the effect of acids. Baking soda is very effective for heartburn. This disorder occurs because hydrochloric acid, which is very aggressive, from the stomach rises into esophagus and causes a burning sensation. The burning sensation in the esophagus during heartburn can be eliminated with a tablet or 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate mixed with a small amount of lemon juice to more easily release the carbon dioxide produced. Taking this remedy helps neutralize hydrochloric acid, resulting in the formation of carbon dioxide and sodium chloride. The effects of sodium bicarbonate are noticeable immediately and last a maximum of half an hour. Baking soda eliminates acids that attack tooth enamel. Acids produced by bacteria in oral cavity negatively affect tooth enamel, damaging it. They can be neutralized by using sodium bicarbonate as a mouthwash or by applying it with a toothbrush. Sodium bicarbonate is added to many toothpaste to cleanse teeth without damaging tooth enamel. Baking soda relieves sore throat. Add a half of teaspoon baking soda in 1 glass of water and rinse your mouth every 4 hours to relieve pain. Using sodium bicarbonate might also help with mouth sores. Baking soda improves the condition of sunburn. Adding baking soda to your bath water can soften the properties of the water and reduce pain. Baking soda eliminates urinary infection. Typically, bacteria grow in slightly acidic environment inside the bladder. In case of urinary infection, a mixture of baking soda and water is an ideal remedy to treat the infection. Baking soda relieves pain during diaper rash. If you wash baby who have diaper rash with sodium bicarbonate solution, they will feel better. To do this, add a little baking soda to the bath. It has been observed that sodium bicarbonate not only relieve pain, but also help its skin recover faster. Baking soda improves the course of itching in case of insect bites. It's not recommended to itch if you are bitten by a mosquito or other insect. Instead, use a soft, wet paste of baking soda on the result wound. This paste may also help relieve the itching of chickenpox. Baking soda eliminates unpleasant food odor. If you add baking soda to the water used to wash your feet, then the sodium bicarbonate will neutralize the acids produced by bacteria. The fact is that these bacteria are responsible for unpleasant smell of feet. This solution can be also used to wash your armpits. Wet sodium bicarbonate paste might help with athlete's foot. What disorders is baking soda used for? Chickenpox, hives, ulcer at the level of oral cavity, gum problems, athlete's foot, insect bites, unpleasant food odor, unpleasant body odor, itching, stomach upset, dry mouth, tonsillitis, skin rash due to heat, foreign object in the skin, sunburn, heartburn. Does baking soda help you lose weight? There is no evidence that bicarbonate help you lose weight. From a scientific point of view, this chemical compound does not have any special properties for eliminating excess weight. Who should not consume baking soda? Sodium bicarbonate contraindication. Attention, frequent use of baking soda can cause high blood pressure. The fact is that this product contains a lot of sodium. Thank you for your attention. This material was prepared based on material from the page All Scientific. Attention, before using various treatment and remedy, it is recommended to consult a doctor. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.